Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Kassandra, and this is a short 10-minute morning yoga class suitable for all experience levels. We don't have a lot of time, so let's begin right now. We're going to sit with our legs out in front of us. This is your staff pose. Stretch out through the backs of your legs, push down into the backs of your knees, flex your feet, arms by your sides, and just think of reaching and stretching out through the crown of your head. So lengthening out from our tailbone all the way up to the crown of the head, and then also from the tailbone all the way down the legs. Think of really curling the toes back so you're getting a stretch here through, for me it's in the ankles and in my calves. Lift and lengthen up a little bit more. And let's find a twist from here so you can bend into your right knee and cross your right foot over the top of that left thigh. Hug that knee in towards your chest with the help of your left arm. And I'm going to bring my right hand back behind me. Lift and lengthen, and then exhale, twist open towards the right. Keep squeezing and hugging that right knee in towards your chest. Drawing that lower belly in and up. And releasing the twist, we'll go to the second side. Straighten your right leg out in front of you. Bend that left knee, cross the left foot over the thigh. Hug with your right arm so that you can squeeze and let this pull you and lengthen you up a little more. Left fingertips behind you for support. And then draw that left shoulder back as you open into your twist. So no slouching, no rounding. And keep reaching out through that right leg into the right heel. And releasing to face forward. Let's come onto hands and knees for a few rounds of cat and cow. Palms under your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. As you inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, curl tailbone up, and reverse this motion. Exhale, round and contract, drop your head. And just keep going in and out of those two poses. So we started with some spinal rotation. Now we're going through spinal flexion and extension. Really great to do first thing in the morning. You're trying to match the movement with the flow of your breath so that when you inhale, you find a nice stretch and expansion through the front of the body. And as you exhale, you round and contract in. And now come back to a neutral tabletop pose. Walk your hands out in front of you, just a little bit past your shoulders. Tuck the toes under and find a little plank pose here, just to hover. Lift the back of your head up, draw the lower belly in, strong through your upper arms. Inhale here. And as you exhale, lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Go ahead and bend your knees as much as you would like here. So I like to just alternate paddling the feet. So I'm bending one knee, straightening the opposite leg. Relaxing your neck and your head. And let's walk our feet to the top of the mat, finding a ragdoll forward fold. You can widen your feet here, bend your knees generously to protect your lower back, and you can hold on to your elbows or your upper arms, just swaying a little bit side to side. Try to let your upper body drape over your thighs, over your legs. Release the hands down to the mat, bend your knees even more and push into your heels to slowly come all the way up to stand. Head and shoulders are the last to make their way up. Standing tall, Tadasana, your mountain pose. Let's open the legs wide, facing the wider edge or longer edge of your mat, I should say. Heels in, toes out. You're going to inhale, circle the arms wide, and then bring your hands together at the heart as you sink down into this low, deep squat. Think of squeezing your knees open. A few more, just like this. Inhale, straighten and reach. And exhale, squeeze and pull it in. Twice more. With your breath, inhale to expand. And exhale to sink down. Now go ahead and lift yourself all the way up. Grab a hold of your left wrist with your right hand and find a little side bend. So big side body stretch, coming all the way up. Second side, grab a hold of your right wrist with your left hand and lean on over. Coming all the way back through to center, we're going to step at the top of the mat. Back into our mountain pose, coming into a lunge. So high lunge, my right leg will stay where it is, and I'm stepping my left foot back behind me. As I inhale, I'm going to tap the back knee down and reach my arms up, and then I'm going to lift up and tilt forward, extending the arms back. So just going in and out of those two poses. So we tap the knee down, arms reach up, and then we lift and we tilt, really working through our quads. Let's do 3 more like this. Tap, lift, and tilt as you reach your arms back. Last 2 here. And tilt. Last 1. Tap it down, lift up, and tilt. Bring your hands to your heart and push off of that back leg to come all the way back up. Shake it out. Let's go right away to the other side. So this time my right foot is going to step back. Make sure you have your feet hip width distance apart. So we tap the back knee down, arms reach up, and then we return, we tilt, and we extend our arms back. So tapping down and lifting, and tilting, and reach the crown of your head forward. Let's take 3 more here. Strengthening through the legs. Try to keep that front knee stable. Tap, lift, and stretch. This is your last one. Tap it down, lift it up, stretch and hold. Hands at your heart, push off of that back leg to come all the way up. Let's take a little flow from here. Arms rise, palms come together to touch. Exhale, fold forward. You can absolutely bend your knees on the way down here. Halfway lift, flat back, lengthen, and then plant your palms. Find plank pose again. We're going to lower all the way down to our belly and hold here. Let's slide our forearms out in front of us, coming up into Sphinx pose. Opening through your chest, rolling your shoulders back, pushing into the pelvis, so pubic bone pushes into the mat. Tops of the feet push into the mat as well. And let's release. Find a wide-legged child's pose. Big toes together, knees as wide as you would like them to be as you press your hips to your heels. And release, forehead down to the mat. So in these morning classes, I try as much as possible to give you a good balance of strength, stretch, and balancing poses. Even when we only have a short little bit of time together. And let's walk our hands in, lift up, and just bring your legs out in front of you. We'll come into a butterfly fold before we close our practice here. Soles of the feet together, knees apart. Especially in the morning, I like to make these passive forward folds, meaning I'm going to let my spine naturally round. I'm not going to push and pull. I'm not going to force my way into a deeper pose than I'm ready for, especially first thing in the morning. So my palms are facing up, and I'm just letting gravity take me into my edge in this pose. Taking 5 deep breaths here. Can you relax your head and neck a little bit more, even softening through the jaw? And use your hands pushing into the floor to slowly come all the way up to take a seat. And now you can sit cross-legged or any way that is comfortable for you. Before we close our practice, let's just do a few little half circles with our head. So drop one ear to one shoulder and just trace that little half circle as you bring your chin to your chest, and then the other ear to the other shoulder, letting go of any tension through your neck. Nice and slow. Take about one more in each direction. And bring your head back up through to center. Close your eyes. So I don't do Shavasana in these short morning classes. Instead, we'll just pause here. Use this time to set an intention for your day, maybe just choosing one word. So one word that pops into your head that captures how you want to feel today or what's important to you today. And we'll set this intention together by bringing our hands at the heart and chanting Om together one time. Let's inhale to chant. Breathe in. Om. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing this short morning flow with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I literally have hundreds of short morning classes by now on my channel and inside my mobile app, so I'll link to that if you would like to make this a daily habit, and maybe you'll practice again with me tomorrow morning. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and have a wonderful day.